I call this video New Innovations in Space Travel and Technology. Just to cap it all off. Okay, just about done with these videos, so I'll make it this one really good. I am Paul Fraley. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so, if you enjoy my videos. Not too far from now, a few years down the road, I'll be getting my coronation and probably the end of my videos. Just say no, not too many are left. So in saying that, I'm going to go back on the subject of space technology and the innovations that we are making. As you probably know, Star Trek and the Starship Enterprise has shields and deflectors. In the future, we'll have these because the shields are the electromagnetic shields scientists have thought about using to go to Mars. However, also there's another type of technology known as deflector technology, which is basically a radio bubble around the ship using two different frequencies. One, a high sine wave, and the other, a low sine wave, low amplitude and a high amplitude at the same time together. This effectively shields most of the radiation that would come at your ship. Now, the heavy bombardment, you will need an electromagnetic force field. Also, it is possible if your ship is big enough, like say it is a kilometer length. No, let's make that 2 kilometers because you need the gravity. 2 kilometers in length. Sorry, that's my bad. 2 kilometers in length and a kilometer in width and about half a kilometer in depth from the nadir to the zenith, which is to say the belly to the ceiling. And then you're going to have variable mass technology on the innards of the ship. So you can walk around on the surface of it on the inside and control how much gravity you have by making atmospheric tanks fuller and denser. And in addition to that, to augment it to make it like Earth gravity, you're going to have electromagnetic coils under the floor or the nadir to pull you down because the iron in your blood, because it is affected by magnetism. It basically pulls the blood down from your face to your feet and pulls you to the floor. Pretty nifty technology. It still works though. It has to be designed properly. There is also hyperspace technology we're working on. Because of the phenomena we've observed in the cosmos of galaxies traveling faster than light, this is due to electrogravitic waves in space. Some people think it's decay of dark matter. Other people think that it's antimatter decaying. Who knows? Anyway, we observe the phenomena, and it'd be foolish not to take advantage of it with special rockets that are nuclear to make the fuel last longer, with the negative polarity in the rear of the rocket shooting the plumes of flame out, and the positive polarity in the front. This is what constitutes hyperspace engines. That's it, conceptually in a nutshell. So there you go. You can also use this technology of the radio bubble around Mars. Just put like a big shield of armor around it, around the world, using half a kilometer tall towers spread out around the equator, probably no more than 100, 200, depends on, there are calculations on energy consumption with nuclear generators. And then you have a radio bubble. There you go, around the circumference of the planet Mars. You can also have towers at the poles, which means you have less towers at the poles because you don't need as many. So there's your radio bubble. It will protect the astronauts, the colonists from radiation. Plus, it prevents outgassing of the atmosphere. You can build the atmosphere up with nitrogen, hydrogen, have water on the surface of the planet. You'll basically be terraforming it. So this has been a recap to cap off all that stuff I was talking about earlier about space technology. It's all in the works now. I'm sure Elon Musk has heard about it by now. And we are considering and tinkering with these ideas. It's in the works. As for myself, I like design engineering as a hobby. I most likely will be working on it sometime in the future and trying to get a patent on some of it, if possible. So, that's all I have to say on that subject. I have 2 videos left I haven't done yet. I'll wait a long time before I put them up, and hopefully we'll all get to enjoy them together. So, if you're a fan of the stars and of space travel, don't forget to keep looking up. This has been your host, the leader of the micronation of Orangia, Paul Fraley, signing off. Have a great day.